You're attached to your friends, right? And a friend with benefits is a friend, it says so right on the tin. Of course you get attached to a friend with benefits. That's normal and natural. Physical intimacy is often the gateway to emotional intimacy. Nothing wrong with that. You feel what you feel. I know of no magic wand you can wave and just stop feeling things or change your feelings. If there were such a thing, the world would be a very different place. Imagine how life would be if we could simply say, never feel hate, or don't feel angry. The way I have handled FWB relationships is not to search for a magic word that stops me from getting attached, but instead to understand that getting attached doesn't have to mean I change my behavior. I can feel attached to someone, and not believe that means I must now be in a romantic relationship with her or make her love me forever and ever or anything like that. I can feel my feelings, honor them, and then let them pass. Feelings don't control you unless you choose to allow them to. I was in an FWB relationship for 6 years. At the end of that 6 years we loved each other, but still chose to keep the relationship FWB instead of a romantic relationship, because it worked better for us that way. We were awesome friends and great lovers but not compatible as conventional relationship partners. So we built a friendship that honored that love without being a romantic relationship.